Little cards. Look at that. Ooh, album, I guess. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. There is an English version. Wow. Oh my gosh, Jimin. Very nice, right? Annyeonghaseyo 여러분! Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox the Army Kit of 2020. Let's go! We are outdoors, so if you hear anything like barkings or jeepneys. Anyway, so this is the outbox of the Army Kit. It says here, BTS Global Official Fan Club Army Membership. And here on the side, you will definitely see the card. The army card, and the back, it's just a normal back. And here it says Army Membership Kit. So cool. So let's open first what we have here on the side. Let's see. Oops. Okay, so it says BTS Global Official Fan Club Army Membership card. Ta-da! Okay, so this is the membership, and my name is in there. Amazing, right? And this is the membership rules, the back. Okay, meron pa ba? Nothing na. So, if they want to know you, you'll just present your membership ID. Okay, there is this. You have to carefully do this, or I'll just cut it. I'm not sure. Okay, so I decided to just open it like this. Oh my god. Okay, so finally. Oh my god. It's stuck. Okay, finally I should go. Ta-da! Wow. Ta-da! Oh, it's damaged, the sides of these, maybe because I don't know, but let's just see what's inside, guys. So what is this? Oh, okay, BTS Official Fan Club Army Membership. So what is this? Okay, so this is the what is this, guys? Ah, okay, this is the lamp. So I really love the lamp, guys, because it has a very nice design in here. And as you can see, it's a book design. See, it has all the names here. And here is the Army logo. Very nice. And it says, once upon a time. Very magical. And when you open this, it says here, once upon a time there were 7 boys, and here are the 7 boys. So I will try this one later on. Okay. All right. So you've got the lamp, how to use. Okay. Try that later. And we've got our zip bag with the army treasures are here. Okay, so what do we have here? Oops. Oh my gosh, be careful. Okay, so we've got the Army user guide. And I've got Kim Taeyong! Oh my god! I've got Kim Taeyong user guide. My gosh, so happy. Then we've got, of course, the BTS. Oh, okay, the magnetic bookmark. Can I open this one? Let's open this. And yeah, it's so cool. Oh yeah, it's magnetic. So it's all 7 of them, guys. On the side, we've got RM, Jin, and Suga. And on this side, we've got the J-Hope, Jimin, Kim Taeyong, and Jungkook. Very nice. Wow, you can also use this for money, I guess. I'm sorry about the dogs. Okay, so let's open the... I hate the dogs, they're barking. Okay, we've got Kim Namjoon, Kim Seokjin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin. Taeyong is so guapo! And Jungkook as well. Oh my gosh. So these are the photo cards. Amazing! My gosh. Let's get this. Alright, this is the Army Zip. Oh, okay. There's nothing anymore. This is the Army Zip. Once upon a time, there were 7 boys. So let's open this, guys. Oh, these are the shadows. Actually, these are at the back of the photo cards. I'll show you guys. RM, the back. See. Then Jin, Suga, J-Hope. Ooh, flute for Jimin. The Angel, Jungkook, Peter Pan. Alright. Army Zip photo album, I guess. Wow. Wow! I saw... Oh my gosh! Once upon a time, there were 7 boys. This is so cool. So I'll just flip it like that, but you'll see. Wow. Oh my gosh. RM is so guapo. So cute, huh? Fairness. Oh, RM! You're wrecking me, boy! Okay, Jin. Wow. This is the, like, a candid moment for them. Wow, Jin! Suga is Mr. Puss. Puss. Puss! Because he's a puss in boots. Okay, because they're like a magical creature. So, dear, my dear. So, RM is holding a cane. So, Jin is a novel for adults. Jin. Okay, so maybe, I don't know. Suga is the puss and boots, so that's why. Very cute. Suga got Taeyong in his behind the scenes. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, J-Hope is the puppet master. Nice. Very nice. Then there's Jimin right there. Oh, this is their behind the scenes. Maybe they took a picture. Fantasy Jimin music. So Jimin is the piper. Not Pied Piper. This is cool. Oh, V is the hero must come back. So he's the angel. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Very nice. And Jungkook is an explorer finding Neverland. So he's really Peter Pan. So nice. Wow. Look at that. Very elegant. Whoa. Zoom out, zoom in. Oh, there is like extension. Oh my gosh. Very beautiful. Oh my gosh, we've got a sub-unit. Taekook! Taekook is here. Oh my gulay. And oh, Jimin and Jungkook is also good. Wow, Jimin! Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I hope we have this for cards. It's very nice. Look. I hope they will produce something like this. Okay, Tale of Tales. This is the matte newspaper feel. I really hope, guys, International Army feels. I really hope I can read all these Koreans right here. They will translate something in Korean, but nah. Oops, that's the lizard. Sorry about that. This is the question and answer portion where they will fill out the form and they will answer the form themselves. Fortunately, don't have that. Do you want to paint it? Okay, what do you want to paint? Oh my gosh! So we are allowed to do paintings of the BTS members. So if you have like those color pencils, guys, so you can definitely paint or color them. Oh my gosh! Jin! OMG! Suga! OMG! Like, I'm so happy. But I don't know if I can paint this because, you know, I don't know how to really paint or to color things. Oh my gosh, Jimin! Oh, I'm so happy. Kim Taehyung! Jungkook. Okay, the magic behind the story. Okay. So these are the behind the scenes pictures. Amazing. Oh, look at those laugh. Look at those smile, guys. Look at the Jimmy! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Why is... Oh my gosh, dear Army. And this is the letter, guys, to us. Oh my gosh. I can't read it. Oh, there is an... Oh my gosh. There is an English version. Yes, I can read it. So we can read this, International Army. We can do this. Let's read one from Jimin. Says, "Hello Army. It's Jimin. It took me a while to think about what to say when I heard you joined the fan club to be closer to us. I'm happy and glad that you're together with us. I want to see you soon and bring smiles to your faces. I want to say that I'm sincerely thankful everyone who keep cheering us on. I love you." Oh my gosh, I love you too, Jimin. Okay. Good job. And special thanks to Army, and they lived happily ever after with Army. The end. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, so let me show you the lamp, guys. Lamp. Here's the battery of the lamp. And you have, there's no free battery, guys, so you have to open it and put batteries here. AAA batteries. Okay. And let's close this. And we'll just have to do that. Ooh, lights up. When you open the lamp, this one here on the other side, guys, it's magnetic, so it can be, you know, doing that. But to make it to use this lamp, you have to put this on top here. And ta-da! Oh my god! Look at that. Very nice, right? So can do that. So this is how it looks like, guys. Very nice, right? Look at them. Wow. So you can do it like that or just like that. So if you're studying, if you want to have inspiration from BTS, so you can do it. Very nice. Let's summarize what we have so far. So I've got the lamp. Let's open this. Ooh. And the membership card right there. Just put it here. Put the Army zip bag right here. Then we've got the Army fan club user guide. Put it here. Then we've got the bookmark. Just put it here. Then we've got the photo cards. Let's put them somewhere here. Okay. I want to show their faces, guys. Okay. Next is we've got the big magazine over here. Alright. Just do it like that. Okay, maybe put it right here to make sure. All right, so this is it. This is the Army Kit that you can get for 2021. That's it. Very nice. Yay! So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video, share, and comment below whatever you want whatever you want me to unbox next time. And thank you so much for your support, guys. I love you all. See you next time. Annyeong.